Have you ever wondered how to best utilize Runway AI? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, where Runway AI reigns supreme. A versatile tool that's transforming the AI landscape, it is as accessible to beginners as it is to seasoned tech enthusiasts. Not just a technical plaything, but a powerful tool that's shaping our tech-driven world. With its myriad of features and intuitive interface, it's no wonder Runway AI is making waves. Stay tuned to discover how to get the most out of this innovative tool. To harness the power of Runway AI, first, you need to understand how to get started. Embarking on this journey is as simple as creating an account. Just head over to the Runway AI website, click on Sign Up, and fill in your details. Make sure to remember your credentials, as you'll need them every time you want to dive into the world of AI. Once you've created your account, you'll land on the dashboard, your command center for all things Runway AI. It may seem overwhelming at first, but worry not. Let's break it down. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu that will help you navigate through the platform. It includes options like Projects, Models, Settings, and Help. Projects is where you'll spend most of your time creating and managing your AI endeavors. Models is your library of AI models, each designed for a specific task. Here, you can explore different models, learn about their capabilities, and choose the one that best suits your needs. Now, let's look at the settings. This is where you can manage your account details, adjust your preferences, and control notifications. And if you ever find yourself in a pickle, the Help section is your go-to place for tutorials, FAQs, and contact information for the support team. In the center of the dashboard, you'll see your workspace. This is where the magic happens. It's where you'll create your projects, train models, and see your AI come to life. Each project you create will have its own unique workspace, allowing you to focus on one task at a time. And finally, at the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on it will give you quick access to your account settings, notifications, and the option to log out. Navigating Runway AI is like exploring a new city. It might take a little time to get familiar with the streets, but once you do, you'll find it's a city full of possibilities. Now that you know how to navigate Runway AI, let's dive deeper into its features. Runway AI offers a plethora of tools and features, but how can you best utilize them? Let's dive into the vibrant world of Runway AI and explore some of its most compelling tools and features. Armed with these, you can create, innovate, and transform your AI projects. First off, we have the Model Library. This is a treasure trove of pre-trained AI models. Whether you're working on computer vision, natural language processing, or any other AI domain, you'll find a model that fits your needs. This vast library saves you from the time-consuming process of building and training your own models. It's like having a team of seasoned AI researchers at your beck and call. Next, we have the real-time collaboration feature. This is a game changer for teams working on AI projects. You can share your work with your team, get their feedback, and make real-time changes. It's like a virtual brainstorming session, where ideas are born, refined, and transformed into reality. Then there's the code-free interface. This is a blessing for those who want to dive into AI but are intimidated by the coding aspect. With Runway AI, you can drag and drop your way to a working AI model. This lowers the barrier to entry, making AI accessible to a wider audience. Don't forget about the export options. Once you've created your AI masterpiece, you can export it in various formats. Whether you need a high-resolution video for a presentation or a lightweight model for an app, Runway AI has you covered. Now let's talk about the advantages of using these tools effectively. The model library, for instance, allows you to iterate quickly. You can try out different models, see what works best for your project, and make changes on the fly. This rapid experimentation can lead to better results in less time. The real-time collaboration feature, meanwhile, fosters a culture of openness and innovation. By sharing your work and getting feedback, you can avoid blind spots and uncover new perspectives. This collaborative approach can lead to more robust and creative AI solutions. The code-free interface, on the other hand, allows you to focus on the big picture. Instead of getting bogged down in code, you can spend your time on conceptualizing, designing, and refining your AI project. And lastly, the export options give you the flexibility to share your work in the most suitable format. This can enhance the impact and reach of your AI project. In conclusion, the tools and features of Runway AI are not just about making your life easier. They're about empowering you to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. By using these tools effectively, you can unlock new levels of creativity and innovation. With these tools at your disposal, you can create, innovate, and transform your AI projects. While Runway AI is a powerful tool, like any software, it can have its quirks. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's look into some common issues you might face and how to solve them. First up is the unable to connect error. If you're seeing this, it's usually a network issue. Check your internet connection, restart your router, or try connecting to a different network. If the problem persists, consider contacting your internet service provider. Next, you might encounter an issue where the application crashes or freezes. This can be due to outdated software or a lack of system resources. Make sure your system meets the minimum requirements and that you're running the latest version of Runway AI. If the issue continues, try closing other open applications to free up system resources. Another common issue is model not loading. If you're experiencing this, it's likely due to large file sizes or an unstable internet connection. Try reducing the size of your input data or switch to a more stable network. If you're still having trouble, consider using a lower resolution model. Now, let's talk about the output not as expected issue. AI models are not perfect, and their output can sometimes be unpredictable. If you're not happy with the results, try adjusting the parameters or use different input data. Remember, experimentation is key when working with AI. Lastly, you might face a subscription error. This is usually because your subscription has expired or there's an issue with your payment method. Check your subscription status and payment details on your Runway AI account. If everything looks fine, reach out to Runway AI's customer support. Remember, it's normal to face hiccups when exploring new software. What's important is not to get disheartened and to keep exploring. With these troubleshooting tips, you can overcome any hurdles you encounter while using Runway AI. As we come to the end of this guide, it's clear that Runway AI is a tool that can revolutionize your AI projects. This platform's potential for transforming the way we approach artificial intelligence is truly remarkable. It's a tool designed to empower creatives, developers, and AI enthusiasts alike, breaking down complex concepts into manageable, user-friendly interfaces. Let's recap what we've discussed today. We kicked things off with a brief introduction to Runway AI, exploring its founding philosophy and what sets it apart in the crowded AI marketplace. We discovered that it's not just another AI tool, but a platform built with the user experience at its core. We then dove into the nitty-gritty of getting started with Runway AI. We discussed how to navigate its dashboard, how to set up your first project, and the wealth of resources available to help you along the way. We also emphasized the importance of familiarizing oneself with the platform's features to fully harness its capabilities. Next, we took a deep dive into the heart of Runway AI, its tools and features. From its intuitive machine learning models to its easy-to-use interfaces, we saw how Runway AI makes AI accessible to all. We also highlighted some of the creative possibilities that these features unlock, demonstrating how Runway AI can act as a bridge between imagination and reality. In our troubleshooting segment, we tackled some common issues that users might encounter. We discussed how to resolve these problems and where to seek help when needed. Remember, troubleshooting is an integral part of the learning process, and each challenge overcome is a step closer to mastery. We also shed light on the pros and cons of using Runway AI. While its user-friendly interface and robust features make it a powerhouse for AI projects, like any tool, it has its limitations. It's important to remember that the best tool is often the one that suits your specific needs and circumstances. In conclusion, Runway AI is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious beginner, we encourage you to explore and experiment with Runway AI. Dive into its features, play around with its tools, and let your creativity run wild. The world of AI is at your fingertips, and with Runway AI, you're in the pilot's seat. Thank you for watching. Enjoy exploring the world of AI with Runway AI.